What's up, guys? A lot of times on this YouTube channel, I talk about the keys to success, things that you got to do to make it in real estate investing, things you have to do to expand your business, things you have to do to elevate your game. I got one absolute core to success that you got to do, and I'm doing it today. I'm here at a property in Robbinsville, New Jersey. This is a flip that we have going on. And mind you, we have flips going on. We also are buying apartment buildings. We're doing all kinds of other fun stuff. But this flip is one that called to my immediate attention today because we're closing on it next week. This is about doing whatever it takes to get things done. So today I went and talked to the township and had to haggle with the zoning officer about getting a few things done, and we'll get that done. The realtor is coming to me saying, hey, listen, the buyer needs a few minor things taken care of. There needs to be a fire extinguisher dropped off in this property. There's like some minor property things that need to get cleaned up in the house and everything like that. So guess what? I'm doing whatever it takes. I found out about these things this morning. So what do I got? I got fire extinguishers. I got some cleaning product. I'm doing whatever it takes. Yes, it's not the highest and best use of my time, but just because things are below your pay grade or below what your standard of what you think you ought to be doing for your business is, doesn't mean you don't need to get them done. And you got to do whatever it takes to get things done. So that, guys, is what I think to be one of the #1 keys to success is in real estate. If you're willing to roll up your sleeves and go and clean up a house real quick, maybe not clean. I'm not going to spend all day here, but I'm going to wipe down some areas that were of concern, and I'm going to go and put in some fire extinguishers and whatnot. So I got up early this morning and I went to Home Depot and got what I needed to come take care of this and met with the zoning officer and all that. Don't ever think things are above your pay grade. And I get there's good mentality about doing things in your business that are at your pay level and outsourcing things that are not. You know, making sure you're out finding deals. Yes. Making sure that you're out doing bigger opportunities. Yes. We're working on a 336 unit apartment complex in North Carolina. I'm in the middle of that too. But I'm also willing to do whatever it takes for something like this so that it advances, so that it moves along. So sometimes you got to do the $10 to $15 an hour stuff, and it is what it is. It stinks. It sucks. I'll say that I got to go in here and wipe up the floors on this house. But you know what? I'll do it so that my buyer won't have an issue and my closing goes through and my business continues to move forward. If you guys are willing to do whatever it takes, including the $10 to $15 an hour stuff sometimes to advance things, then you're going to be successful because nothing's going to stand in your way. You're willing to, you know what, I'll jump in, I'll do it, I'll jump in and I'll help. And if you can outsource, great. In this instance, this fell on me today and I had an open day, so you know what, I'll take care of it and knock it out so that I know that it's done, right? If you have that do whatever it takes and hustle mentality, there are times that will have to serve you. And there are other times that you're going to get to do the way bigger dollar per hour stuff, including looking for apartment buildings, negotiating bigger relationships, doing the big stuff. But guess what? Sometimes you gotta, suck it up and put on the rubber gloves and install fire extinguishers in houses. So that's what I got for you today, guys. If you want to be successful, you got to do whatever it takes.